Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall iTunes and reinstall alternatives. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall iTunes, begin by opening the control panel. In the search bar, type control panel and select it from the list. Once in the control panel, click on Programs. Next, select Programs and Features. Look for iTunes in the list. Once you find it, click on iTunes to highlight it. Then, click on the Uninstall button at the top of the window. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation process. Once iTunes is uninstalled, it's time to explore alternatives. Popular alternatives include MusicBee, VLC Media Player, and MediaMonkey. Choose the alternative that best suits your needs and visit its official website. Look for the download section on the website. Click the download link to start downloading the installation file. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the new media player. After the installation is complete, open the alternative media player. Import your music library to start enjoying your music without iTunes. Finally, ensure your new media player is set as the default for media files if desired. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.